Today we're going to talk about the Splunk dashboards we've grouped together under Operations. This includes Discover, Asset, Application Visibility, User Endpoint Management, and Operations. Let's take a look at Discover. Now, this structure is a good example of a couple features that we've, whenever possible, tried to include across all of these dashboards. That is a row of alert panels showing data over time, and then sections for deeper insights, tables for a particular use case. When we talk about Discover, we've got panels for lost interface, discovered, new, and new unmanaged interfaces. We could take a look at unmanaged assets over time, and then gain some of those deeper insights in these pie charts between unmanaged and managed devices. We could certainly talk about using the patterns between these two groupings, between what we have managed and what is unmanaged, to create some targets of opportunity in Discover for client deployment. We have some additional panels for information on systems that haven't checked in as well. Once we have systems under management, we can look at them from an asset perspective. We still need some event panels to help us keep track of managed and unmanaged changes or lost interfaces. We also want that overtime view of our managed assets in this particular panel. This will help us look for outliners. And then following details about managed assets: manufacturer, operating system, hardware, and then a table that allows you searching and filtering to give you just an open-ended tool to look at your currently managed assets. Application visibility is about the applications installed on our assets. Let's be able to look at application crashes that may be critical. Let's look at high CPU, high memory. Let's get details on the various aspects of an application, its installed state, running processes, stopped and running services, and get lots of details on all of those topics. Under User Endpoint Management, we get similar perspectives, but this time from a user. So let's look at high security issues, patch problems, performance issues, details around users and assets, users with administrative access, all to help you identify the common behaviors in your environment or outliners that you may want to pay attention to. Finally, operations. Tying a lot of these different pieces together, let's proactively look for some critical issues, such as performance, uptime, disk space, networking issues. Let's have tables for deeper insights to pull all of these together so that we can search and filter on any issues that we may have found under the alert panels. Let's proactively look for issues that may affect critical systems or applications. This concludes the dashboards under our operations breakout. Thank you.